Howdy guys, good morning from Arizona. We're going on a rescue mission today. Patches has broken down last night, so I just flipped around and I'm gonna go help it out, see what's going on. It sounds like there's some few issues, so we'll see if we can fix it. It just cranks, the driver said it just cranks, it won't start. It's just like sputtering all the time, it just won't stay running. Sounds like a fuel starvation to me, like fuel issues. Like it's either sucking air from somewhere in the fuel system, or I think the transfer pump is shot. It's just not good anymore. So I'm gonna see if I can help him, hopefully, because this is not good, man. He's been having some issues for so long, like all the time. He put new filters and it's still the same thing. So yeah, I got about 10 miles to where he's broken down. So he's on the side of the road, right off the exit. I think it's on the on-ramp. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what's going on. Maybe we can help, maybe not. But at least we'll try. Alright, so I just made it to the exit right here. He's right over there, if you see. So I'm gonna get some of my tools real quick, just in case. Let me see what I have. Okay, 16. Okay, he said he needs metric size. I'm gonna get my metric. It's always packed away, man. Oh, that hurt my toe. Alright, let's see if we got them 17 here. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one. This one has the most wrenches and shit. Alright, let's go back in here. It's my little tool side, whatever bullshit. Alright, let's go. Stay there, truck. Here's the guy. Why are you walking here? Go back! Man, exit 53 in I-10 in Arizona. What's up? Oh, you wanna carry my tools? Nah, it's okay, man.
Least I can do right now. You know?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
Okay, you can carry my tools. Sheesh, yeah.
It's a beautiful morning this morning.
It's a beautiful morning, yeah. I just woke up from this guy. He gave me a call. I was like, hey, I'm stuck somewhere in Arizona, but he didn't tell me where.
You just drove by.
So I just kept driving, and I saw him on the side of the road, and I'm like, holy shit, why didn't you tell me?
Yeah.
So I had to make 13 miles back.
Backtrack,
yeah. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can
get it going.
Revive Patches, see what's going on with her. Sheesh. How many times you broke down?
4 times already.
4 times already, in one trip?
Yeah, in one trip.
Wow.
And it only happens to me.
Only happens to you, yeah. Like, so if it's not the truck, maybe it's the driver, man.
Yeah, it could be.
Could be the driver's fault.
It could be the driver. It's the loose screw behind the wheel.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, especially car haulers.
Car haulers, yeah. Car haulers. Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go see what's up with Patches. So James just told me what the smell is. A desert smell. It's a distinctive smell.
Yeah, it's the juniper bushes. Yeah.
The bushes, man.
Yeah.
When you drive through the desert, you know the smell. It's like, especially like when it's like cooler.
Yeah, when it's cool in the morning.
Yeah.
The morning dew. So that's the juniper trees or juniper bushes.
Yeah.
Giving off that smell. And it's only in the desert.
It's only the desert. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Texas, yeah, Sonora Desert,
yeah,
right here.
Yeah.
What desert is that?
From
Phoenix?
From Phoenix?
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think it's
here.
It's not
But-
Mojave. Mojave is like
No, Mojave has its own different desert.
We'll have phones. Let's check. Desert. We're in Buckeye? No, we're in
No, this is
Vicksburg. So Vicksburg, Arizona.
Quartzsite.
Desert and sweets. What? No, there's no desserts, motherfucker.
Quartzsite.
Anyway, it's a desert. It's in the desert. So how you like the high rail? Too much work, huh?
The what?
High rail?
It's what it is. I mean, you
It's
gotta
what it
be
is,
good
yeah.
at it.
Yeah.
You know.
Man, poor Patches.
I'm getting better.
You're getting better. That's good.
I mean, you know, it takes a skill. It takes a real good skill
Yep.
and patience.
It's not just jump in the truck and put in the drive and go. It's,
no.
You gotta work.
Yeah, a lot of work.
A lot of work.
A lot of work.
So
But
yeah.
the end result, you know, it's good money.
Yeah. When you don't make damages.
Yeah.
Because it's coming out of your paycheck.
Yeah,
Unfortunately.
I know. Yeah, I know. I'm
That's
working.
what all new drivers, they don't realize that. They want to jump in the car holder.
Yeah, no.
But then after a few damages, they're like, oh shit, I'm out.
Yeah, no.
But instead of learning, they just quit. So yeah. What did you do, James?
I get in the strap broke.
Oh damn.
Strap broke.
Did the trunk hit it?
And it came down.
Well, this is not good too. If it's a Tesla, you're gonna damage the batteries.
No, it's not. It's
I mean, if it's a Tesla.
yeah.
What is that? Your piss jugs?
No, those are my fuel. Those are my fuel tanks.
Patches! Hello!
I ran out of fuel.
Man, I haven't seen Patches in so long.
See, I got the.
Okay, so let's see what the problem is.
It's right here. This one.
Yeah. Okay, let's get it going, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna try to crack the fuel line coming from the back of the transfer pump to the fuel housing.
So right here, we're gonna.
I'm gonna
check
crack
out
it. He's
here,
gonna crank the engine, and we're gonna see if it's spitting out any fuel. If there's no fuel coming out from that hose, then we know it's the fuel pump. Let's do it. So I can get to the back hose. I'm gonna remove that front one first. Yeah. I'm gonna have to kind of. All right. No, it's give me another 18 if there's any. Give me the 17 again. See if it fits on that inner one. No, 18 it is. It's spinning from here, which is not good.
Hold on.
He's got some, I guess. All right, well, so I backed off the fuel line. He's gonna crank the engine a little bit, like 2 seconds. And I'm gonna see if there's any pressure coming out. I might get sprayed, but yeah, that's part of the game, I guess. Just a couple seconds. Just a little bit, yeah. Go for it. Okay. Do again. Do again. Okay. Shut it. All right, there is the flow. It's not like pressurized. It's like just spitting out fuel, which is not enough. Yeah, that's just not enough.
Transfer pump.
Yeah, transfer pump.
And Phoenix is an hour and a half away.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna put everything back together, pressurize the system, see what's up. All right.
I'll start mobbing.
Well, prime the system, see what's up now. Gas it. So you say as soon as it starts, it starts dying?
Yeah,
as soon
as I start to go, it'll start.
Okay.
And it's not getting enough pressure.
Well,
Not enough fuel.
it sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good now. I don't think there's air in the system, you know.
But as soon as I get
All right, let's back it up and just back up a little bit and see if we can go, you know. See what it does. Okay, I'm gonna have him back up a little bit, see if it. Hold on. Hey, your trailer is low. Your trailer is low. Hi, go. He said when it starts driving, it loses power. So let's see if that's the case. I'm gonna have him back up as much as I can and just fucking floor it. At least we're not on the side of the road when they exit, which is good. We went for a little test drive, maybe like 20 miles. I gave it the full beans. I didn't hear any issues, but yeah, there might be some issues with the fuel pump. At some point it's not catching up with the demand. Yeah. Ah man, it's not good. Problems like that in the middle of nowhere, it's just not good. Just not good, man. Do you have to do the straps?
Yeah.
Why? Try now. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we just went for a little test drive and everything seemed fine. I couldn't find an issue, but like I tested the fuel transfer pump, it's just not spitting out enough fuel. So I think the inside there's like a gear that spins around, just worn out. It's like 800,000 miles. I believe it's time for a new pump anyway. So yeah, we're gonna replace the fuel pump on patches and